Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a table to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that you should select the template that you would like to use, and after creating your document, tap on this insert button at the top of the screen. That's the third section, and below the insert title you can find this table button, so tap on it and then you should select the size of your table that you would like to insert. So select it, and as you can see it has been inserted. If you want to, you can tap onto these boxes and just start typing in your text that you would like to add. And you can also, if you tap on the delete button at the top, you can delete the whole table or a selected column. You can also select the row or a cell too. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.